The TUYU electric spin scrubber is a powerful cleaning tool designed for effortless bathroom and kitchen cleaning. The 2024 model features a full-body IPX7 waterproof design, an LCD power display for battery tracking, and an adjustable extension handle to reach difficult spots with ease. Cordless and rechargeable, this scrubber is ideal for tackling tough stains and grime on various surfaces, making it a versatile cleaning essential for any home. This 15-piece black kitchen knife set combines style and functionality, featuring self-sharpening technology and dishwasher-safe blades for easy maintenance. The set includes 6 steak knives, all with anti-slip handles for safe, comfortable use. Housed in a sleek block, it's a versatile and essential addition to any kitchen, perfect for cooking enthusiasts and everyday use. The HomeHacks 2-pack large laundry baskets offer a convenient solution for organizing laundry and more. With a 75L capacity, these waterproof, freestanding hampers are both spacious and durable. Their collapsible design and extended handles make transport easy, whether you're in a dorm or at home. Featuring a stylish gradient gray color, they're ideal for storing clothes, toys, and other household items. Scrub Daddy color sponges are scratch-free, multi-purpose cleaning sponges ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and various household tasks. Made from BPA-free polymer foam, these vibrant sponges adapt to water temperature, firm in cold water for tough scrubbing and soft in warm water for gentle cleaning. Their ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, making cleaning efficient and enjoyable. The pack includes 3 color-coded sponges for versatile use. The Househodl EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System offers an efficient and hands-free way to keep floors spotless. Its microfiber mop head removes and absorbs tough dirt and grime with ease, ideal for all floor types. The bucket's foot pedal lets you control the moisture level with a hands-free wringing mechanism, ensuring optimal cleaning without excess water. With its red and gray color scheme, this system combines functionality with a sleek, modern design.